for apple, apple, apple. Let's spell apple, A-P-P-L-E. Apple, 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 apple. B is for balloon, balloon, balloon. Let's spell balloon, B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon, balloon, balloon. C is for cat, cat, cat. Let's spell cat, C-A-T. Cat, cat, cat.
Isn't that fun? Did you know that ABC learning videos for kids have always been popular on YouTube? Some of these videos, created over a decade ago, have almost 1 billion views. Even recent, simpler videos can get hundreds of thousands of views in just a few weeks. These videos are generating tens of thousands of dollars each month for content creators. And guess what? They're made using incredibly simple methods with just a few tools like Canva, Capcut, and modern AI technology. These tools allow you to create the songs for these videos in just seconds, so you don't need to hire expensive musicians, singers, or bands. Everything is completely free. Take a look at the channel ABC Kids 123 with nearly 5 million subscribers and hundreds of millions of views per video. They're earning up to $90,000 per month, and their main focus, ABC songs, which they've been producing for decades. Check out this video with nearly 900 million views. Simple, right? Okay, making these videos is extremely easy, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create similar videos, but even more engaging. Let's get started. Step 1. Composing music with AI. The first thing we need to do is compose a song, which is similar to writing a script and creating a voiceover for a typical YouTube video. To create a fun children's song, I'll use 2 tools: ChatGPT to write the lyrics, and Suno AI to generate the music. First, you'll need to gather some ideas for the lyrics. Let's take a look at this video with nearly 900 million views and listen to it.
A is for apple, apple.
Do you have some ideas for lyrics now? We're going to use ChatGPT and type in the prompt, create lyrics for the ABC phonics song for kids. For example, A is for apple, apple. Wow, with just a simple prompt, ChatGPT has created some great lyrics for us, right? Now let's copy these lyrics and paste them into Suno AI to create the music. On the screen, you'll see the website sunoi.com, which is one of the best music creation tools available right now, and it's free. You get 50 credits per day with this AI, which is enough to create around 10 songs daily. All of these songs are yours to use, and you can upload them to YouTube without worrying about copyright issues. To create the music, click on Create. If you don't have lyrics yet, you can simply type a prompt and Suno can create a song for you. But since we already have lyrics, I'll click on Custom. In the lyrics section, paste the lyrics that ChatGPT wrote. Next, under Style of Music, I want to create a fun, upbeat, and whimsical tune for a kid's song, so I'll type that in. For the title, I'll enter Phonics Song Learn A to Z, then click on Create. After just a few seconds, Suno AI will generate the song according to your specifications. Now let's listen to it.
A is for apple, apple, apple. Let's spell apple, A-P-P-L-E. Apple, 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 apple.
Isn't it catchy and fun? Click here to download the song to your computer, and we'll move on to the next step. Step 2, create background and animation. To create the background and animation, I'll use Canva. The link to access Canva is in the description of this video. If you're making simple videos, you can complete your project using only Canva. But in this tutorial, I'll show you additional options, so I'll also use CapCut in step 3. On the Canva homepage, click on Create a Design and choose Video. Now let's take a look at the lyrics. We have a total of 26 letters from A to Z, which means you'll need to create 26 short video segments to complete your main video. We'll start with the first letter, A. First, I'll find a background for this initial segment. You can add a static image as a background and then layer moving elements on top. In the element section, search for a suitable background. For example, I'll search for a garden background. Select this one, right-click, and choose Set Image as background. Next, we'll add some moving elements to this background. Click on Element and search for Cloud, then choose Graphic, filter for moving clouds, and drag them into the background. Similarly, I'll find some moving trees and add them to this background. Next, I'll find a cute butterfly to place in the flower corner on the right side of the screen. To make it more lively, I'll animate the butterfly by clicking on it, selecting Animate, then create an animation. Hold down your mouse on the butterfly and drag it along the path you want it to follow. Pretty cool, right? You can do the same for other moving elements. Next, I'll add a moving letter A here. Then I'll add a bouncing apple here. Doesn't that look lively? You can add text to complete scene 1 and do the same for the following scenes. Add the music and you've created a simple yet engaging video. But in this tutorial, I'll show you another way to give you more options for future videos. I'll create another segment right next to this one. In the search bar, I'll type cartoon and select video. You'll see there are many pre-made cartoon videos with more dynamic animations. I'll choose one of these as the background for the letter A. Next, I'll add a moving letter A. As for the apple, I want to find a more exciting and visually appealing one, so I'll search on YouTube using the keyword Apple Graphic Green Screen. Look at this one. The apple is jumping. Download it to your computer. You can find ways to download the video online or screen record this segment. It only takes a few seconds. My advice is to keep each green screen segment under 5 seconds. It's safer for your video and less likely to trigger copyright issues. Now that you have a green screen apple, your task is to merge it into the background we created. I'll demonstrate this in step 3, where we'll use Capcut to remove the green screen. All you need is a background and these captivating animations you can freely download from YouTube. This vast resource is free to use, so explore it. Continue with the remaining letters. As you can see, I finished the backgrounds for all the letters and found all the green screen animations to merge into the final video. Let's take a look. For letter B, I'll have balloons floating into the sky. For letter C, this cute cat walking around, and for letter D, I'll have this dog jumping joyfully. Isn't this fun? If you like it, leave a like and subscribe to support this video. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3, edit the final video. I'll use Capcut to merge and edit the final video. You can find the link to Capcut in the video description and in the pinned comment. Sign up for an account and download Capcut for PC to make it easier to use. On the screen, I'm using Capcut PC. Now I'll import all the resources we created in step 2. The backgrounds for each letter, the music from Suno AI, and the green screen animations. Let's start editing. First, I'll drag the song down because it will dictate the length of the video. Listen to it.
For apple.
So the first few seconds are just music. I'll add some cute animals jumping in as a welcoming introduction. I already have a background from Canva, so I'll drag it down, then trim off the excess to match the music's intro. Next, I'll drag down the cute animals with a green screen that I downloaded from YouTube, insert it, and trim it to fit the intro music perfectly. Next, we need to remove the green screen. Click on the video segment in the sequence, then choose Remove BG, click on Chroma Key, and click on this pen icon, then click on the green background. The green screen is now gone. I'll resize these animals to fit the frame properly. Now listen to it again. Okay, next, let's work on the letter A. First, I'll drag down the letter A background I created in Canva. Listen to the music to know how long this segment is, and trim it to match the music.
A is for apple, apple, apple. Let's spell apple, A-P-P-L-E. Apple, apple, apple.
Next, I'll drag the jumping apple down, trim it to fit the A segment's music, and remove the green screen using Chroma Key, adjusting the size to fit the frame. Next, I'll add text by clicking on text. Drag down a default text box at the beginning of the A segment. Change the text to apple, move it to the top right corner, and change the color to make it stand out. Let's watch it again.
A is for apple, apple, apple. Let's spell apple, A-P-P-L-E. Apple, apple.
So in the second half of the music, there will be a spelling segment for apple. I'll only extend the apple text to the first half. For the second half, I'll add the letters A-P-P-L-E one by one to match the singer's spelling. This part is detailed, so take your time and do it carefully.
A-P-P-L-E. Apple, apple, apple.
And that's it. I've finished the song segment for the letter A. Continue with the same steps for the remaining letters. And here I've completed it. Now let's see how I did the other letters.
D is for dog, 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 dog. Let's spell dog, D-O-G, dog, dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. Let's spell elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, elephant, elephant.
What do you think? Amazing, right? We've now finished creating the video. Now to download it, click on Export, rename the file, choose the location to save it, select the resolution you want up to 4K, and click Export. Wait a moment and you'll have the video saved on your computer. Let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Optimize SEO when uploading your video. To optimize SEO when uploading, keep these key points in mind. Catchy and attractive title, simple and eye-catching thumbnail for kids. Name your video and thumbnail files with the main keyword of your title. Write an SEO-friendly description with at least 10 relevant hashtags. In the tag section, find the most searched keywords related to your title and add them. When choosing an attractive title and thumbnail, the best strategy is to study successful videos and follow their lead. Let's take a look at some viral videos. Okay, now you know what to do, right? Most thumbnails are simple, just the letter A and an apple on a bright background with nothing written on the thumbnail. Easy, right? To create a thumbnail like theirs, let's go back to Canva, click on Create a Design, search for YouTube thumbnail, and I'll change the background to a bright color. Next, go to Element, search for a fun letter A and a fun apple. Finally, add the text apple here and change the font to something playful. And there you have it, your thumbnail. Now let's upload the video to YouTube. Before uploading, rename your thumbnail and video files with the main keyword of your title. I'll title the video the ABC Phonics Song, Toddler Learning Video. Next, for the description, I'll use ChatGPT. Type in the prompt, my YouTube video is a children's song titled the ABC Phonics Song, Toddler Learning Video. Write an SEO-friendly description for this video, add cute and beautiful emojis, and add 20 hashtags. Okay, now we have the description. Next is a crucial step. Choosing tags. We need to find the most searched keywords on YouTube. To find them, I'll use a tool called VidIQ. The link to VidIQ is in the video description. Sign up for an account, and VidIQ offers a plugin that allows you to edit all elements during the video upload process, such as the title, description suggestions from VidIQ, recommended upload times, and a complete checklist to optimize SEO. And especially for finding keywords, go to the VidIQ homepage, click on keyword, and type your title here. VidIQ will immediately find the top keywords with the most searches on YouTube. Select around 30 of them and paste them into the tags section in this window. And that's it. All the steps to create and upload an SEO optimized video are complete. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on creating amazing content. See you in the next video.